What if I told you that not everything in a liquid is actually moving? It sounds strange, right? We usually think of liquids as a chaotic jumble of atoms, like a crowded street where everyone's constantly bumping and jostling past each other. Solids are ordered and still. Gases are free-for-alls, and liquids are somewhere in between. But recent research has turned this simple picture on its head. Scientists at the University of Nottingham and the University of Ulm in Germany were watching tiny droplets of molten metal, like platinum and gold, as they cooled and solidified. They were using an incredibly powerful microscope on a special graphene surface that acted like a tiny hob to heat the particles, and what they saw was astonishing. Even at scorching hot temperatures, well above the metal's melting point, some atoms in the liquid weren't moving at all. They were completely fixed in place. It turns out these motionless atoms were anchored to tiny imperfections on the graphene surface, and this had a huge effect on how the liquid turned solid. Think of it like this. When the liquid starts to cool, it wants to form an orderly crystal. If only a few atoms are pinned down, the crystal can just grow around them. No big deal. But here's where it gets really weird. If enough of these stationary atoms form a ring, they create what the scientists are calling an atomic corral. This corral traps the liquid metal inside, and once trapped, this liquid just refuses to freeze. Even when cooled to temperatures 1,000 degrees below its normal freezing point, they created a whole new state of matter, a corralled supercooled liquid. When this corralled liquid eventually does solidify at extremely low temperatures, it doesn't form a normal crystal. Instead, it becomes an amorphous solid, like glass, with its atoms all jumbled up. This state is super unstable, and as soon as the atomic corral breaks, the metal instantly snaps back into its regular crystalline structure. This discovery is more than just a cool science fact. The way materials solidify is fundamental to everything, from how ice forms to how we make pharmaceuticals and advanced alloys for aviation and electronics. This new hybrid state, part liquid and part solid, could completely change our understanding of materials like platinum. Catalysts, which are used everywhere. We might be able to design self-cleaning catalysts that are more efficient and last longer. Ultimately, this is the first time we've been able to corral atoms themselves, controlling them to create entirely new forms of matter. This could open the door to incredible technologies, helping us use precious metals more efficiently for clean energy and a sustainable future. What an amazing glimpse into the hidden world of atoms! Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow for more science discoveries.